back to virtual story time.
Yeah, so we have another delicious theme for you this week. We are talking about
Cookies.
They are very popular during the holiday season, and there are so many varieties to choose from.
There are, so sit back and enjoy these sweet stories and a really good puppet show, and we will see you after that. Bye.
I'm going to read you a story called Cookies, a bite-sized life lesson. Cooperate. What does that mean? It means, how about you add the chips while I stir? Patient, and that means waiting and waiting for the cookies to be done. A few more minutes. Aren't I waiting so nicely? Still waiting. Proud means my chin is high and I sure do like the way my cookies turned out. Modest means you don't run around telling everyone you make the best cookies, even if you know it's true. Respect means offering the very first cookie to your grandmother. She looks pretty happy to have that cookie. Trustworthy means if you ask me to hold your cookie until you come back, when you come back, I will still be holding your cookie. I won't eat it. Fair means you get a bite and I get a bite. You get a big bite and I get a big bite. Unfair means you get a bite and now I get the rest. That's not very nice. Compassionate means don't worry, it's okay. You can have part of my cookie. Aw, that kitty cat looks sad. Greedy means taking all the cookies for myself. He, yum, yum, yum. That's definitely not very nice. Generous means offering some to others. Please take one, you too. Anyone else want a cookie? Pessimistic, that's a big word, and that means how awful, how absolutely dreadful. I only have half my cookie left. Optimistic, which is the opposite, means this is great. I still have half my cookie left. Polite, that means, excuse me, can you please pass the cookies? Thank you. I know you are so polite. Honest, and that means I have to tell you something. The butterfly didn't really take your cookie. I took the cookie. Courageous means it was not easy for me to tell you that I took the cookie, but I took a deep breath, take a deep breath, and I made the words come out. Envy means I can't stop looking at your cookie. Out of the corner of my eye, it looks so much better than my cookie. Boy, I wish it were mine and not yours. Loyal means that even though the new person has a much bigger cookie, I'm sticking by you and your little cookies because you're my very best friend. That's nice. Open-minded means I've never seen cookies like that before, but sure, I'll try one. Regret means I really wish I didn't eat so many cookies. Definitely been there. Content means sitting on the steps, just you, me, and a couple of cookies. Wise means I used to think I knew everything about cookies, but now I realize I know about one teeny chip's worth. The end.
And I'm gonna read you one of our favorites, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Then he'll want to look in a mirror and make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks into the mirror, he might notice his hair needs a trim, so he'll probably ask for a pair of scissors. When he's finished giving himself a trim, he'll want a broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. Where do I get a mouse like that? When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited he'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask for paper and crayons. And he'll draw a picture. Wonder what he's gonna draw. When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name. With a pen, of course. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So, what do you think is going to happen next? He'll ask for a glass of milk. And chances are, if he asks for a glass of milk, he's going to want a cookie to go with it. The end. Who took the cookies from the cookie jar? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Mouse took the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who, me? Couldn't be. Please don't tease. I eat cheese.
Then who took the cookies from the cookie jar? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Raven took the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who, me? Couldn't be. Don't squirm. Eat a worm.
Then who took the cookies from the cookie jar? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Squirrel took the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who, me? Couldn't be. I munch nuts for lunch.
Then who took the cookies from the cookie jar? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Rabbit took the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who, me? Couldn't be. Must hop, never stop.
Then who took the cookies from the cookie jar? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Turtle took the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who, me? Couldn't be. As you know, I'm much too slow.
Then who took the cookies from the cookie jar? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Raccoon took the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who, me? Couldn't be. That's crazy. I'm too lazy.
Then who took the cookies from the cookie jar? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Snake took the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who, me? Couldn't be. I'm stuffed. Can hardly speak. I ate an antelope last week.
Then who took the cookies from the cookie jar? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Beaver took the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who, me? Couldn't be. My favorite snack is sticks in a stack.
Then who took the cookies from the cookie jar? The jar was full. Where did they go? Oh, now I know. Frog took the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Ribbit couldn't be. Surprise, surprise. I like gnats and dragonflies. Then who took the cookies from the cookie jar? The jar was full. Where did they go? Now I know. Ants took the cookies from the cookie jar. You're right, it's true, but there's enough for all of you. We left a trail to show the way, so eat your cookies, then let's play. The end.
Hello and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed all those sweet stories.
And as always, we do have a great craft for you this week also, so you can come pick that up either in person in the library, come say hi, or you can call us from the parking lot and we'll bring it out to your car, and the instruction video for that will go up tomorrow. So we hope that you have an excellent week and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.